Have you ever thought about your heart as the vital center of your body? Not just as an organ that pumps blood, but as the engine that drives our lives, our dreams, and our hopes. With each beat, it gives us a new chance to live fully. However, the reality is harsh. About 30% of deaths worldwide are caused by heart disease. This number is alarming and makes us reflect on what we are doing wrong in our daily lives. What is destroying our heart health, and how can we change that? The challenge of modern life. A heart under pressure. We live in an era where the fast pace of modern life leads us to ignore the warning signs our body sends us. Technology has brought us comfort, but has also made us more sedentary. Work demands much from us but offers little time to take care of ourselves. And while we strive to meet deadlines and expectations, our heart silently suffers. Heart diseases, once considered problems of old age, now affect young adults in their prime. What is happening? Invisible habits, visible consequences. Let's explore 5 common habits that, without realizing it, are putting our hearts at risk. Sedentary lifestyle, the silent enemy. In a world where technology allows us to do everything with just a click, physical movement has become secondary. We spend hours sitting, whether at work, in front of the TV, or surfing the internet. This sedentary lifestyle is one of the leading causes of heart disease. Studies show that people who exercise regularly are much less likely to develop heart problems. Regular physical activity helps strengthen the heart, improve blood circulation, and keep blood pressure in check. Even small changes like walking more during the day or choosing stairs over elevators can make a significant difference. Poor diet, the villain on the plate. What we put on our plates has a direct impact on our heart health. Excessive consumption of saturated fats, sugar, and sodium contributes to increased blood pressure and cholesterol, 2 risk factors for heart disease. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, is essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Additionally, it is important to avoid ultra-processed foods, which are loaded with ingredients that can harm cardiovascular health. Stress, the invisible weight. We live in a world where stress is almost inevitable. Work pressures, family responsibilities, and personal challenges can leave us overwhelmed. When stress becomes chronic, it can cause significant damage to the heart. Stress increases the production of hormones like adrenaline, which raises blood pressure and puts additional strain on the heart. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and recreational activities can help relieve stress and protect heart health. Excessive alcohol consumption, the false friend. We often hear that a glass of wine a day can be beneficial for heart health. While this may be true, excessive alcohol consumption has the opposite effect. Alcohol in large quantities can lead to increased blood pressure, weight gain, and weakening of the heart muscle. It is important to consume alcohol in moderation and be aware of the limits that are safe for your health. Smoking, the direct attack on the heart. It is no secret that smoking is one of the most harmful habits for health, especially for the heart. Tobacco damages the arteries, increases the risk of blood clots, and decreases the amount of oxygen the heart receives. Smoking also contributes to the development of atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries harden and narrow, leading to heart attacks and strokes. Quitting smoking is one of the best decisions you can make to protect your heart. Personal transformation. The choice is yours. Among all these habits, a sedentary lifestyle is perhaps the most critical. I remember a time when I would spend hours sitting, whether at the office or at home, without moving. I didn't realize the impact this was having on my health until I started feeling constant fatigue and a lack of energy. It was only when I decided to incorporate physical activity into my daily routine that I noticed a significant improvement. And it's not just about feeling better. Scientific studies confirm that people who exercise regularly have a much lower risk of heart disease. The change started with small actions like walking more and doing light exercises, but the results were transformative. Taking care of your heart, a daily responsibility. Recognizing and changing these habits is essential to protecting heart health. It's not about making radical changes all at once, but adopting a conscious and gradual approach. Remember that every little action counts, and every choice you make can positively impact your health. Share your journey. Now I want to hear from you. What habits do you think you need to change to protect your heart? Share your experiences in the comments, and let's embark on this journey of transformation together. And don't forget to check out my other videos on health and wellness, where we discuss more valuable tips and information to keep your body and mind healthy. See you next time.